Did you know that Moscow, often viewed as just Russia's political hub, is actually a city where prosperity and beauty blend in an extraordinary way? Beneath its historic facades and political significance lies a metropolis brimming with opportunities, cultural richness, and stunningly attractive women. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden gems of Moscow that make it one of the world's most captivating cities. And if you stick around until the end, we've got a surprising bonus fact about Moscow's world-famous metro system that might just revolutionize your perspective on urban transportation. So let's embark on our journey through Moscow's most fascinating aspects and uncover the realities that lie beyond the typical tourist brochures. Moscow, the beating heart of Russia, sits in a prime spot east of Belarus and north of Ukraine. Unlike the harsh winters that grip northern Russia, Moscow enjoys a more temperate climate. Imagine strolling through a bustling metropolis where the air is crisp but not biting, even in winter. In fact, Volga Dream highlighted that Moscow has humid continental climate with warm and sometimes even hot summers. This milder weather creates a comfortable environment for both residents and visitors, making Moscow feel like an oasis of warmth in a land often associated with brutal cold. The city's strategic location has played a crucial role in its development. Situated at the crossroads of major trade routes, Moscow has long been a melting pot of cultures and ideas. This unique positioning has contributed to the city's economic growth and cultural diversity, setting the stage for the vibrant metropolis we see today. With a population approaching 19 million, Moscow is a vibrant web of cultures and experiences. Walking through its streets is like taking a journey around the world. You'll hear a symphony of languages, smell enticing aromas from global cuisines, and see faces from every corner of the earth. This diversity isn't just about demographics, it's the fuel that powers Moscow's dynamic atmosphere. The city buzzes with cultural events, from international film festivals to world-class ballet performances. Every neighborhood tells a different story. Each street corner offers a new adventure. For those seeking to broaden their horizons, Moscow is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Moscow's skyline is a testament to its ambition and prosperity. Towering skyscrapers pierce the sky, their gleaming facades reflecting the city's economic might. But it's not all about modern marvels. According to 56th Parallel, Moscow's architecture is a captivating blend of old and new, where onion-domed cathedrals stand proudly alongside sleek glass towers. The Moscow City Business District, with its cluster of futuristic skyscrapers, symbolizes the city's economic power. Meanwhile, historic gems like St. Basil's Cathedral and the Kremlin serve as reminders of Moscow's rich past. This architectural diversity creates a cityscape that's both awe-inspiring and uniquely Russian. Living in Moscow comes with a price tag that reflects its status as a global city. As noted by Moscow Estates, rent for a decent apartment starts at around 100,000 rubles, approximately $1,000 per month. While this might seem steep, it's important to remember that Moscow also offers higher salaries compared to other Russian cities. The cost of living in Moscow is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can be a challenge for newcomers. On the other, it's a testament to the city's economic vitality. For those willing to hustle, Moscow offers abundant opportunities to thrive and prosper. Before we dive deeper into Moscow's wonders, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world's most intriguing cities. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Moscow's social calendar is packed year-round with festivals and events that showcase its cultural richness. From the Moscow International Film Festival to the Circle of Light Festival, there's always something happening in this dynamic city. Gorky Park, once a symbol of Soviet-era recreation, has been transformed into a modern urban space where Muscovites and tourists alike gather for outdoor concerts, art exhibitions, and leisurely strolls. In winter, the park turns into a magical wonderland with ice skating rinks and festive decorations. These events and spaces aren't just about entertainment, they're the lifeblood of Moscow's social scene, bringing people together and fostering a sense of community in this vast metropolis. Moscow isn't just Russia's political capital, it's also the country's economic engine. The city is home to numerous multinational corporations, tech startups, and financial institutions, offering a wealth of job opportunities across various sectors. Russian unemployment reached another record low of 2.6% in April, according to the latest data from Rosstat. The Moscow International Business Center, also known as Moscow City, is a hub of economic activity. Its gleaming skyscrapers house the offices of major Russian and international companies, creating a mini Manhattan in the heart of Moscow. For entrepreneurs and job seekers alike, Moscow presents a land of opportunity. Whether you're in finance, tech, or creative industries, this city has a place for your talents to shine. Moscow is a beacon for education, boasting some of Russia's top universities. Moscow State University, consistently ranked among the world's best, attracts students from across Russia and beyond. The city's educational landscape is diverse, offering programs in everything from nuclear physics to classical literature. The flux of international students adds to Moscow's cosmopolitan vibe. Walking through university campuses, you'll hear a babble of languages and see a mix of cultures that rivals any global city. This emphasis on education contributes to Moscow's intellectual atmosphere. Cafes are often filled with students engaging in lively debates, while bookstores stay busy with knowledge-hungry patrons. Moscow's metro system is more than just a means of getting around. It's an attraction in its own right. Known for its efficiency and punctuality, the Moscow Metro moves millions of passengers daily with Swiss-like precision. According to the International Metro Association, the metro consists of 12 lines, 185 stations, and 3,055 kilometers of tracks. It has 15 depots, 288 station entrances, and is used by 8 to 9 million passengers per day. But what sets Moscow's metro apart is its breathtaking beauty. Many stations are veritable underground palaces, adorned with chandeliers, mosaics, and sculptures. It's like traveling through an art museum while commuting. The metro's efficiency and aesthetics reflect Moscow's commitment to combining functionality with beauty, a theme that runs through many aspects of city life. Moscow's streets are a car enthusiast's dream. Luxury vehicles from brands like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Bentley are a common sight, turning everyday traffic into an impromptu car show. The Moscow Times reported that the number of luxury cars in Russia surged last year despite Western sanctions. This abundance of high-end automobiles isn't just about showing off. It's a reflection of Moscow's economic success and the aspirational lifestyle many of its residents enjoy. Even for those who don't own such vehicles, the sight of these mechanical marvels adds a touch of glamour to daily life in the city. No discussion of Moscow would be complete without mentioning the renowned beauty of its women. Moscow is renowned for its strikingly beautiful women, but their allure goes far beyond physical appearance. Moscow's women are known for their grace, intelligence, and strength of character. Many Moscow women are highly educated, pursuing successful careers while maintaining a strong sense of style. It's common to see women dressed elegantly even for everyday occasions, reflecting a culture that values both aesthetics and substance. But it's not just about looks. Moscow's women are often praised for their resilience, warmth, and deep-rooted family values. A study published in UNL Digital Common shows that this has been the case since the 1920s. They play a crucial role in shaping the city's social and cultural landscape, contributing to Moscow's reputation as a city of beauty in all its forms. Moscow's women embody a unique blend of traditional values and modern ambitions, making them an integral part of what makes this city so captivating. And now, as promised, here's your bonus fact. Did you know that the Moscow Metro runs special reading trains? These trains are decorated with excerpts from classic Russian literature, turning your commute into a cultural experience. It's just another way Moscow blends practicality with enrichment, making even the most mundane activities a chance to learn and grow. And that wraps up our journey through Moscow's hidden wonders. If you're curious about more intriguing places, don't miss our next video on the top safest and cheapest secret retirement towns nobody talks about in 2024. It's packed with surprising destinations that offer both security and affordability. Click the link on your screen now to discover your potential paradise. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening content.